Hi, in reading today, we're going to be talking about tools. Now, I know that you know all about tools like hammers and screwdrivers, but what other kinds of tools are there in our world? Look at this boy. What is he holding with his hands? Yes, a butterfly. So this book is called The Handiest Things in the World, and it's all about how our hands can be a tool. This is by Andrew Clements, and the photographs were taken by Raquel Jaramillo. The handiest things in the world. Handy, by the way, means very useful. Okay. Of all the handy things there are, the hand itself is best by far. To grab, to hold, to pull, or twist, the hand itself is handiest. But other things are handy too. Just look around. You'll see it's true. Which things are handiest for you? It depends on what you need to do. The things I want to show you here in this book, things old and new, from far and near, they all came from a simple plan. The hand is where it all began. Mealtime happens every day. Keep your fingers clean this way. So on page 6, this girl is using her hands as a tool to pick up her food. And on page 7, this boy is using what? Yeah, chopsticks to pick up his food. So those are both tools. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This boy used his fingers to count. Add, subtract, then add again. This child is using a calculator. Those are both tools. Your hands are a tool because we use them to count. And the calculator is a tool because they help us add really, really big numbers. 2 wet hands can hold and pour. This will pour a whole lot more. So you can use your hands to pour water, and that makes your hands a tool. You can also use this watering can, and they're saying that it holds a lot more water, doesn't it? So sometimes there's a better tool than a different tool. Sometimes we have really good tools and sometimes it's not a good tool. So sometimes you have to pick which one would be a better tool. Raindrops falling from the sky. This will help to keep you dry. So they're trying to use their hands to protect them from the rain. And here he has the umbrella. It looks like the umbrella does a better job, doesn't it? Both tools. Wish I might, wish I may, sweep this dusty stuff away. So sometimes we use our hands to dust things away, or to sweep things away, and then other times we use these things. So he has this little dustpan and a little broom. Handmade shade for squinty eyes. This will help with sunny skies. So look, he's using his hand as a visor to protect his eyes from the sun, and here this boy is using a hat. Both tools, they help us. Digging in and scooping down, let's move lots of dirt around. So those are both tools. Tidy is the way to be. This will help enormously. So you can comb your hair with your fingers if you don't have a comb with you or a brush. And look, here she has a comb. Both tools. Flap a hand to make a breeze. Push more air with one of these. So you can use your hand as a fan or a real fan. Again, both tools, they help us to do jobs. Tap in rhythm, keep the beat. Work with these and make some heat. So she's drumming with her hands. Have you ever drummed with your hands to make music? And here she has an actual drum set. What's the width or length or height? This thing always gets it right. So you can measure things with your hands. You could say it's 2 hands long, or you can use this yardstick or rulers or tape measure. Those are all tools. Sticky fingers make a mess. Mixers make the mess much less. So this child is trying to mix with their hands, and look what happens. It makes a mess. Or you could use this hand mixer, or there are different kinds of mixers that you might have at your house. Waves will wash these words away. That says away. Write this way and words will stay. So you can write in the sand. Have you ever done that with your fingers? Or you can write with crayons, and I know you've done that before. Both tools. Many years have come and gone. Our hands keep working on and on. And as the future years unfold, new handy tools will grip or hold. Whatever we may need to do, one fact remains forever true. For sharing love with tenderness, the hand itself is handiest. Look, they're showing that they care about each other. And it looks like maybe an adult is helping to keep this child safe. Okay, so hands can help us do lots of things.